Welcome to Brush 8. Brush 8 consists of 8 townhomes, and we currently have 2 available. And the unit that you walk through right now, this is Unit 5, and it's for sale for $759. It is move-in ready. Also, we have another unit which is for sale, and that unit is listed for $739, and it's move-in ready as well. So on the first floor, we have a flex space. You can use this as either a sitting area, or if you would like to turn it into an office. Also, you have a powder room on the first floor as well. And there is a 1-car attached garage, so you can fit a car as well as storage or a bike rack. Okay, next we are going to head on upstairs. Developers went with a more minimalistic look and feel. So as you can see, everything is kind of hidden under the wood panels. Here is where your utility closet is. So hidden away in a very fashionable way. Also, you have your quartz island with a waterfall countertop, so the quartz stone goes all the way to the ground. And your appliances, you have Bosch appliances. Here is your refrigerator, which blends in. Also, something I think is really cool is the exhaust hood. So everything is just tucked away. When you pull it out, it automatically turns on, and then you push it back in, it'll cut off. And here is your dishwasher tucked away under here. So everything is just supposed to give a nice, clean look. Also, you'll notice that we have a glass partition as well as floor-to-ceiling windows. Each floor has floor-to-ceiling windows, which brings in a ton of natural light and just radiates throughout the unit. So next, we're gonna go to the third floor. This is where the 2 bedrooms are. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, as well as your laundry. Right here, you have a stackable washer and dryer. And now we are going to step into the primary suite. Again, you have floor-to-ceiling windows. You have views of downtown Detroit. There are some new developments coming up from condos, but don't worry, they won't be that tall and they won't obstruct your view. So you have 2 closets. So this is for all of my people who are in love with clothes and shoes. So you have 1 closet right here. And then there is a second closet that's a walk-in closet where you can place the rest of your items. You have your primary bath with a floating double vanity sink. Now, as we come down the hall, this is where you have your guest bath, and this one does feature a tub, and then you also have a guest bedroom. Now let's head up to the 4th floor where it features your penthouse with skylights as well as your own private rooftop terrace. And what's nice are all the views you get of downtown Detroit. You have views of all the stadiums. You can see all the way down to the Renaissance Center. Now down here, there's a little bit more shade under the pergola. This view honestly is breathtaking. About Brush Park, it's a great area with many bars and restaurants to check out. You have the bodega in case you need to get a few items, or if you just want to stop in and grab a bite to eat or something to drink. And if you're just looking for a pick-me-up, need coffee or anything, you can stop by Saucy Brew. With this unit, you have a 15-year NEZ tax abatement, which means that your taxes are going to be significantly lower than they would be at any home you purchase at this price point. Brush 8 is listed exclusively by Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, the Loft warehouse. If you would like more information on how you can become one of the owners of the 2 units that are available, please contact me. My information is below. So if you're interested, please let me know. I would be more than welcome to show you a tour of this wonderful unit. It's truly a one of a kind here in Brush Park.